Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix AEG Dishwasher i30 error code. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering why you are having this issue, how do you solve this? Let's go ahead and discuss why it's happening. So the most common reason is a leak somewhere in the dishwasher. So in many cases, it's because the water inlet valve isn't fully closing here, which in this case allows water to slowly drip into the machine, even when it's off. Over time, the water builds up, in this case activates the flood sensor, and the dishwasher refuses to start. Now, how do you fix this? So first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and get rid of the water at the bottom tray here. So unplug your dishwasher for safety reasons first, and pull it out or pull from the under the counter here and tilt it backwards at least like 45 degrees angle here, and that should help drain the excess water. Now you can also use a towel or sponge to soak up any remaining moisture. And also, you want to go and check for any leaks. Now, once it's drained, take a look around here if there are any signs of water leaking. So inside, at this outside here, just make sure that the leaking, there's no water leakage here. So if there are any signs of water leaking from the door seals here, hose, or bottom of the machine, in this case, that might be the reason why you're having this error code. So in this case, the most likely issue here or cause here might be safety valve. So in the water inlet hose, so if you're not closing properly, the water will keep trickling into the machine, leading to repeated flooding. So unfortunately, replacing this part can be expensive. So it's around, if I'm not mistaken, around €200. And some people choose to replace the entire dishwasher instead. Now, in this case, if you're not ready to replace this, there is a workaround that you could try. So in this case, if the problem is with the inlet valve, but you don't want to replace it right away, you can manually turn off the water supply after each wash. So this will stop the slow leak and prevent future flooding. Just be aware that if you forgot to do this or if there's power outage, there's a risk of water overflowing onto the floor, which is something really unfortunate. Now, in this case, for a quick fix, you could try doing trying what we did before. But generally speaking, if you're having this problem, it's best to have or replace your dishwasher here. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.